Hey darlings, it's Mary again, and I just started making gummies and I thought, wait a minute, I need to show you guys how to do this. So for a really nice cannabis gummy, all you need is a cup of juice. I like organic grape juice from Trader Joe's. 4 tablespoons or 4 little paper thingies of plain gelatin, and half a cup of sugar, okay? So then you put everything together. You put the sugar, the juice, and the gelatin on the stove. Cook it pretty high for about 5 minutes. Basically, you're melting the gelatin, okay? So make sure the gelatin's melted. And then when it's all simmered together, you add 4 tablespoons. This is so funny. Okay, but you add 4 tablespoons of glycerin tincture. Put it in the fridge for 20 minutes, and you, my friend, have cannabis gummies. And see, they're so cute. And each one is going to have about 10 milligrams. But honestly, you guys, super easy to make. Cannabis gummies, yum.